Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and recently we checked out what variable aperture on a Galaxy S9 Plus can do. And in today's video, you know what, I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna show it to you. But before we get to it, if you haven't checked out our latest giveaway, and if you do like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's get to it. So hope you enjoyed the footage. The Galaxy S9 Plus does an amazing job when it comes to video recording. Now all this was shot at 4K 60 FPS. The super slow motion video, we did upscale it, but then that's about the quality you get with it. So what did you think about this video? Loved it, hated it? Let us know via clicking this or this below. And if you haven't subscribed to C4E Tech yet, go ahead, subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time a new video goes live here on the channel. So that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.